Hi friends, it's Chris the Coding Guy. Today I want to cover 5 things that you can do to make your AI assisted code better. One thing that I think you need to keep in mind going into this is that AI is only as good as the programmer using it. So whether you're just using it to assist, or you're vibe coding, or however you're attacking this problem, you really want to make sure that you're coming in armed with the best skills you can. So I want to cover just 5 things here really quickly that will help you to be better as you work. Number 1, learn the basics. If you're building a web app, you need to understand what it means. How do you run it? What kinds of moving parts are there? Those kinds of answers will help you to make a better app. Same with mobile apps or desktop apps, right? Anything you can think of, you need to understand the foundations of how it works. Number 2, build something by hand. Do it once. Actually write code by hand. You will better understand the AI output. So rather than diving in and not knowing anything about it, having a little insight into it will help you make better code. Number 3 is research. Don't be content with just accepting what the AI produced, because it might be wrong. It could be clever. It could be too clever to actually sort out in the future. You never really know. So make sure that if you see something you don't recognize, read up on it. Make sure that you actually understand what it's doing. Even if you couldn't reproduce it, knowing what it's doing is critical to solid development. Number 4, learn the limits. If you're trying to build some sort of a small web app, probably very reasonable to do. But building and debugging a large distributed application with a lot of moving parts and a number of different tricky implementation details, you're probably going to struggle with it, especially if you're not really solid on those skills before you dive in. And finally, number 5, don't be clever. Clever code kills. If you try to be clever, you may find yourself in a position where it's too clever code for you to go back and try to debug by yourself. The AI might not actually be able to help you debug it effectively, and so you may find yourself having to rebuild parts or the whole application. So avoid being clever. Really focus on building something that's straightforward and clear. Until next time, keep coding.